What's up, guys? This is Jake doing a quick review today on the pink Zote laundry soap. So this thing is going to be that 14.1 ounce, 100 grams worth of soap. You've got the more whitening power on it. I want to show you guys kind of everything that's on the packaging here and just talk a little bit about it. So you see this piece just about the high quality soap. You see right here just all of your base information about the brand itself. So it's a really solid soap, super safe for delicate clothes, which is a really big deal. You want to make sure you're not using something that's too rough, that's going to end up tearing clothes or just making them into like a rougher material. So it does a really good job. You've got more whitening power with this, and you can tell this thing is really thick, really big. So this is a really great soap if you're looking for one for your laundry. I've used this before, big fan of it, and think you will be as well.